Hey, it's April with Possible Diet, and today I am going to make a colorful cauliflower salad for you. This salad is from the latest issue of Milk Street, which I love. If you're a fan of Cooks Illustrated, you may like Milk Street. It's almost like the international version of Cooks Illustrated. It deliberately introduces new flavors. You know, you're not going to find a recipe for pot roast in Milk Street unless it's like Lebanese pot roast, which I kind of love. It's beautiful and amazing, and you know, there's like no ads. Anyway, this is my new favorite magazine. And in the May-June 2021 issue, there is a recipe for cauliflower chickpea salad with dill lemon dressing. And this is inspired by Bar Tartine's salad. Now, my take on the salad is a little bit different. I use purple cauliflower because it's so beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Which is why I'm wearing purple today. And I use rainbow radishes, Easter egg colors, and I'm adding beets to it to pump up the veggies. I also add a little red onion and some green garlic because it's in season. So there's a little bit more going on in my salad. It might be too much. Christopher Kimball might not approve, but I love this, and I'm excited to see what this publication brings in the future, because so far it's been awesome. So for this salad, you're going to need a pound of cauliflower, 4 ounces of button mushrooms chopped, 1 can of chickpeas, just the size of a can, which is 15 ounces. Yep. And then it says 4 radishes, but I just did a bunch of Easter egg radishes. It's about this many radishes. I feel like it was about a cup when I sliced it. And then 2 serrano chilies, diced. I'm using, instead of regular yogurt, I'm using Siggi's plain yogurt, non-fat. And then a 1/4 cup of, it said neutral oil. I'm using Udo's oil, which I've talked about in the past. I'll link to where you can get that. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. I really just juiced a whole lemon, and I'm using the juice of 1 lemon. A tablespoon of honey. I was like a little shy on the honey because carbs. And then a teaspoon of roasted garlic. I'm using my garlic confit that I have. And then a 1/4 cup of chopped dill. I add a cup of chopped steamed beets. So cooked, you can roast them, you can boil them. They're just cooked beets. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of minced red onion, and then 2 tablespoons of minced green garlic to just kind of like color it up and spice it up. So let's get to it. You want to whisk the lemon oil and the honey together. Sorry, before you do that, my bad. I layered these veggies in this bowl, and then I put the cauliflower. I sprinkled a 1/4 teaspoon of salt on top of the cauliflower. Then I put the mushrooms on top, 1/4 teaspoon of salt on top of the mushrooms, and then the radishes, 1/4 teaspoon on top of the radishes. The recipe in Milk Street says don't skip this step. It's very important. And then the salt is going to stay in the veggies when we toss it in the salad. So set those aside for about 10 minutes while you make your vinaigrette. I'm going to add my yogurt. And then the Udo's oil. Udo's is like an oil that you can't really use unless you're making something cold. It's not meant to be heated, just so you know. And then a teaspoon of roasted garlic. It actually says 1 garlic clove minced, so if you have a fresh garlic clove, feel free to use that instead. The honey's already in there. And then for the dill, it says use half the dill, which is going to be about 2 tablespoons. The rest of the dill is to put on top. And then serrano chilies. I'm going to go ahead and add my red onion now. Those are my 2 tablespoon measurement, my protein scoop. Be generous. I like my red onion. I love red onion, just about anything. Oh, and there's one other thing I'm adding. So chickpeas are very high in protein, but they are an incomplete protein. And the only amino acid that they are missing is histamine. And histamine happens to be plentiful in hemp seeds. So I'm adding hemp seeds on the top of the salad, and then your salad will be a complete protein with the chickpeas. So let's mix this dressing up. Ooh, it smells delicious. Oh, this smells fantastic. That dill and that lemon is really nice. I'm looking forward to the bite. Let me go ahead and add the chickpeas now. And my hemp seeds. Again, I'm going to add, somehow between then and there, lost my spoon. So about 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. They're gonna disappear in this, and you're not even gonna notice them. So I feel like if you can make a complete protein while you're at it, why not? This is the kind of stuff that I'm learning as a health coach. You can pump up the nutrition of something. Oh, sorry. Beets. Bears, beets, Battlestar Galactica. I also like that the beets color this a beautiful pinky lavender color. And then with the lavender cauliflower, it makes for a pretty salad. And anytime you can make something beautiful as well as delicious, why wouldn't you? The button mushrooms are an interesting addition. Oh, I love this. Look at this beautiful pink and lavender salad. If this doesn't get a princess to eat her vegetables, then I don't know what. I got this bowl, of course, at TJ Maxx. Maybe Home Goods. I might have got it at Home Goods. Oh, this looks great. And then he says, salt and pepper it liberally. So let's see. I'm all out of pepper, so I'm gonna use lemon pepper. I ordered it, but it hasn't come yet. And then salt. I figure with the lemon dill dressing, lemon pepper isn't going to over lemon it. 1/8 of a teaspoon. Oh, this smells so good. Look at this beautiful pink salad. Love it. So then you just have to let this stand for 30 minutes, and then right before serving, you want to top it with the rest of the dill. So that is a super easy Milk Street inspired colorful cauliflower salad. Enjoy.